Today I have three pledges from Ms. Lopez's third grade classroom, and their names are
Clarissa, Isaiah,
If you could please stand and place your hand over your hearts as we go ahead and do our pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now we'll go ahead and do our pledge to the Texas flag.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora en español. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos.
Una nación ante Dios indivisible, libertad y justicia para todos.
Honro la bandera de Texas.
Prometo unidad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios indivisible.
If you could please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, friends, I know we did not get a chance to do our Monday meditation, so at this time you may be seated. And when you sit down, I'd like you to get as comfortable as you can in your seat. Place your hands on your legs, on your thighs, which is the upper part of your legs. Sit as comfortably as you can. And go ahead. And today, I want you, even though it's not Monday, I want you to think about your motivation for today, what you're going to work on today, what you're going to make better, what you're going to try to do to the best of your ability. So we'll go ahead. If you would like, you can close your eyes, you can keep them open. It's up to you. But go ahead and take in a deep breath for a count of 3. So remember, we take in the deep breath. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to release it quietly through your mouth. So we'll try that one more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's go. And release. All right, and on this very last breath, just take in that breath and relax your body. Ready? Very good job, Wildcats. So, every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, that makes you feel unloved, or that makes you feel disrespected, please find the trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. Now, this could be your coach, your nurse, your counselor, your teacher, your parents, your principals, or any other trusted adult. We are still in No Place for Hate School, and tomorrow we'll go ahead and do our pledges for the No Place for Hate. Happy birthday! We have a number of January birthdays. Sunday we had Ruben Hernandez. Yesterday we had Anastasia Torres in Pre-K 3. And today we're celebrating Angel Soto and Jorge Ortiz. Happy birthday to you guys. Announcements. Welcome back, Wildcats. We're so happy to see you. If you look around your classroom or even down the hallways, you'll find that there are new students here. So we are welcoming back all of our returning students and our new students. Prose and poetry tryouts are today, so you would see Ms. Souquette about that. Also, students, we want to remind you to please continue to wear your mask at all times. Your mask must cover your nose and your mouth. If you are done eating, you are to cover your mouth again. Please continue to wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, and please remember to keep social distancing. So students, this goes for you, and it also goes for every adult every adult as well on campus. The character education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. The will to persevere is often the difference between failure and success. According to David Sarnoff, a famous businessman, whether you are taking a test, working on homework, or at your job, just forcing yourself to complete your task is half the battle. Persevering means not stopping before your job is done. So in short, it means do not give up. So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
Sorry guys, they weren't quite ready. We're going to do that one more time. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope today and every day you choose to make it a wonderful Wildcat day.